Welcome. In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, and in this video I will show you what to do if your headphones aren't detected by the tablet. First of all, check your Bluetooth connection. To do that, go to Settings, go to Bluetooth, make sure that it's enabled, make sure that you can connect to your Bluetooth device, to your Bluetooth headphones. And in case you cannot connect to them, then check the Bluetooth not connecting video on our channel for this same tablet, in which we go through the troubleshooting steps on how to fix Bluetooth connection problems. Then what you have to do, if it's not the problem, if the problem is that your device cannot detect your headphones and you cannot use them properly, then first of all, check your headphones, test your headphones with another device to ensure they're working, and inspect the headphones for any visible damage or debris. Also check your headphones case if they come with the case. Then what you can do is restart your tablet by holding down the power button, selecting restart, confirming, and then wait until it's restarted. After that, try reconnecting to your headphones and check if they work now, and if in case they don't, then try connecting another pair of headphones to your tablet and see if your tablet can detect the other pair of headphones. And in case you still have this issue even with the other pair of headphones, go to sound and vibration, then go to select show more, and make sure that the last slider is moved to the very right, and check if you can hear anything with your headphones. You can also go to sound booster menu and try toggling this, switching this toggle in order to check the both modes you can use for your headphones with this tablet, and see if any of these two modes work for you. And in case this didn't help, then you can check for software updates. To do that, go to System and Update section in your settings, then select Software Update. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi beforehand. Let me enter the password real quick. Connect to the Wi-Fi, and then check if you have any updates for your device. And if you do have any, then download and install them, and then check if your problem is resolved after that. And in case if this doesn't resolve your issue, you can go to Reset option in this same menu, System and Settings, select Reset all settings, then confirm, and wait until all the settings are reset. Then restart your tablet like we did it before, and see if your problem is resolved right now. Of course, you're gonna have to reconnect your Bluetooth device and also reconnect to your Wi-Fi once you do that. And check if this resolves your issue. And as a last resort, you can also try to reset your tablet by selecting this option, then reset tablet. But this will also erase all data from your device, but this will most probably resolve the problem with your headphones. And I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.